Today's video guys, papalit tayo ng spark plug.
Shoveled every last penny into a wheel revenge, but Andreas had no choice but to deal with him. So he got in touch record. They noticed he hadn't been paying his workers full amount. All while national tabloids covered the...
And pasok natin yan.
And yeah, I found that by talking and going to therapy, Mark decided to cope with Big Brother.
So yan guys, napasok na natin guys, oh. Ayan, napasok na natin yung spark plug yan, oh. So testing natin guys, ha. Ano? Ayan guys, pansin nyo ba yung bumababa yung RPM niya? Bumababa yung RPM niya. Saan kaya yan? So paki-comment guys kung anong problema niyan guys, yung bumababa na RPM na yan. Ano? So guys, no, yun yung update ng ating motor ngayon guys. Meron pa rin yung pahagok-hagok niya guys. Lalo na pinatrottle, pag tinatrottle mo siya ng mahina lang, bumababa yung RPM niya. So paki-comment naman guys, patulong ako kung anong solusyon dyan guys, no, sa mga ganyan na sitwasyon. Then yung update ng Rosie natin, yan. Yung update is pinalitan natin siya ngayon ng spark plug. Yun yung update niya, bagong car wash ko lang dito. So paki-comment guys kung anong solusyon natin dyan para mas mawala na yung pahagok-hagok niya, no? Or hagok bang tawag dyan. So yun guys, salamat sa panonood. Peace.